Removing temporary nails from a previously patched shingle requires care to avoid lifting or tearing surrounding roofing material. Start by sliding a thin pry bar or flat roofing shovel under the shingle edge near the nail head, applying steady upward pressure to create a small gap without bending the shingle. If the nail head is exposed, use a pair of locking pliers or needle nose pliers to get a firm grip and pull straight out with slow, even pressure to avoid snapping the shingle or enlarging the hole. For nails driven below the shingle surface, score the surrounding asphalt with a utility knife to release any adhesive before prying so the shingle separates cleanly. Work on one nail at a time and support the shingle with your free hand directly over the lift point so you do not lever the entire tab upward. If the nail is stubborn, back it out a few turns using a screwdriver or a small pry to reduce resistance before full extraction. After removal, inspect the hole and surrounding felt for splits or gaps and seal small openings with roofing cement, replacing any shingle that shows cracking or delamination. Common issues include pulling up surrounding shingles by applying leverage too far from the nail head, which you prevent by supporting directly at the lift point and using a thin pry tool close to the nail. Another problem is tearing the shingle because the nail was overdriven or corroded, which you address by gripping the shank near the roof surface and pulling straight out rather than rocking the nail. A third concern is leaving an enlarged hole that invites leaks, so always smooth the hole edges, apply roofing cement liberally, and if the hole exceeds 1/4 inch across, cut out and replace the damaged shingle quarter-sized or follow local code for patching larger areas. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical repair strategies related to roof maintenance and safe nail extraction. Our site helps contractors find work through community listings, and we host a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips, troubleshooting steps, and first-hand experiences.